everyone, it's Gillian and welcome to today's vlog. So you've probably noticed I'm sitting in front of a bunch of moving boxes, and that's because I have an announcement. I'm moving and I'm so excited. I'm currently in the process of packing up my apartment and getting ready for the big move. I'm so excited. This is pretty much my first time ever actually moving, because when I moved in here, I didn't really own anything yet. It was just what I moved from my bedroom at home, whereas this time I actually have furniture and possessions and belongings that need to be moved. So it's been quite a process getting all that organized. I moved into this apartment, I think about 15 months ago. It was the first time I was moving out of home, and I really liked this apartment. It was filled with a lot of light. It had a massive balcony, so there was a lot of outdoor space, and I love fresh air and plants and all that. But as much as I loved this actual apartment and the layout and my space, I didn't like the apartment building where it was located. There was just so many issues since, honestly, the day I moved in. I'm also surrounded by construction sites, which was something that was quite difficult at times. The digging and the drilling Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. till sometimes late at night, and it was just constant. It was always just like from this thing just drilling, and it really got to me in the end. I always used to say if I could pick up and take my apartment and put it somewhere else, that is what I would love to be able to do, because I loved the space that I had created. It's just all the surrounding elements and the actual building, and even the street that I lived in was just a bit chaotic. Probably about a week ago, I found this apartment and I fell in love. It was perfect. It was so amazing. So I applied for it, and I didn't think I was gonna get it, but I got approved. And yeah, this all started this time a week ago. I wasn't even moving. I was still planning on living here for till at least Christmas and everything. And my life is just kind of a mess right now, which is kind of stressing me out. You guys know I like my bright and colorful and vibrant spaces, and it's looking very plain right now. Everything's off the walls, all the cushions are packed away, and I think the kitchen's pretty much done, the living room's pretty much done. It's basically just up to me to do my things, like the makeup and the clothing and stuff. So today's mission is to pack my makeup and to declutter it, because I was like, what a perfect opportunity to declutter my makeup. I kind of want to only take with me to the new space what I know I want. I don't want to bring unnecessary things. So yeah, that's today's goal, I guess. I'll see how far I get. I'm not very good at packing. I feel like you need to be really good at Tetris or something to pack a moving box, because I just put everything in and I'm like, okay, that does not fit. I'll just shove it down further. So I'm not very good at packing. I'm so excited to pack my makeup and all that, because that room, it's where I film all my slime, and it's where my makeup and my backdrops and everything is, and it's just such a mess, and I've just left it to now, so I need to do that, and then I'll feel a lot better once that's done. And little Minnie Mouse is a bit unsure about what's going on. Don't worry, I'm gonna pack all your treats and your food and everything. Yep, we're gonna take everything with us. You're so cute. Oh, you've been such a good girl. Yes, you have been. Her little whiskers. Do you know how much I love you? Yeah. I've bubble wrapped this. I don't know if I need to do this, but I don't know what needs to be bubble wrapped and what doesn't need to be bubble wrapped, but hopefully that'll keep the corners nice and safe. And then all my shelves are all plain. But I'm also excited because when I move into the new place, it means that I can restyle it and go for a new vibe and just a new feeling in my new place. Oh my gosh, I've been living on Pinterest at the moment, creating mood boards and just getting inspiration. I'm just really excited, and I cannot wait to bring you guys along on the moving journey with me. I love watching moving vlogs so much. I think they're my favorite vlogs to watch. So I hope you guys enjoy these moving vlogs, and yeah, let's get started with moving vlog number 1. So this is the state of my makeup room, I guess. Gillian, what is that mess? Why is there a bottle of Elmer's glue there? Because you never know when you might just want to make slime.
Met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the what to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer.
Okay, so I just packed up all of my makeup that I think I'm going to need from now until the move. So I've just got some of my favorite products here. This is the foundation I'm wearing today, if you're wondering. I've really fallen in love with it. It's the, what is this? The Marc Jacobs Remarkable, I think. And then contour powder, this is Cool Little Light. Just got my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is from the Body Shop. Lashes, like I said, probably way too much. Now that that's all ready to go, I can pack away all my other makeup and clean everything out, clean out all my makeup storage. I've actually bought a bunch of new makeup storage, which is exciting, but I'm not going to get that out until I get settled into the new place. So yeah, pack all this away and I'm excited. This is going to be so much fun. Okay.
Stuck in the muddle, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come.
Good morning everyone, it's now the next day and last night I just finished up packing up all my makeup and skincare and all that, so now all the Alex drawers in my beauty room are empty, which is so exciting. I also decluttered it a lot and got rid of a lot of old and expired makeup, which felt so good. Now I'm off to go pick up some more packing tape and bubble wrap because I ran out last night while I was packing, and then I'm also going to try and go to the hardware store so I can pick up, what's it called, like a trolley, I think it's called like a trolley where you put boxes on and I can wheel them around and everything like that, because I already have one but the wheels fall off it and that is not what you want when you're moving. Anyway, so let's get the day started. I still have so much packing to do and yeah, let's go.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind.